Hello all, welcome to next video tutorial of Unix commands. So today let's start with ls. ls means list files. As you can see, I have clearly mentioned this is the most widely used command by both script developers as well as operating system admins. It doesn't matter how much we use, how much we learn ls. ls is like never ending. Every now and then, literally every now and then we are going to use ls command, and ls is the one which will give us desired output, which will always save us from all sorts of problems also at one point of time. So let's move on to the hands-on and understand. There are a huge number of flavors options available with ls. We will keep using it as per the requirement. So as we have seen pwd previously, so let's see where we are. So we are on this script folder. Let me just see. We have to be here on this path. Let's do pwd where I have already created the files. So I will just type ls and hit enter. Now this will just list the files, that's all. List the files, directories, whatever is available onto this last folder, Unix command folder. But how I will understand which one is file, which one is directory? So to understand that, we have this option ls-l. So because of this list, it will list all these things in this manner, and then there is a way to read this output. If the first character is D, it means that this is a directory. If you see over here, so test dir is a directory. If first character is hyphen, so this is a file. So test 1, 2, 3, then this test and test file, these are all files. We will go into deeper to understand this format of the output, like this, why this is read, write, execute, then this when we will reach to change mode and change group command, that time we will go deeper into this change permissions and all this stuff. As of now, just try to understand, okay, this is list file, this is the owner of the file, which is me, and this is the group, this is size, this is the month in which these files were created, and this is the time. So another option which generally people will use is ls-lt. So list the file as per the time parameter. So if you see, the newest one is at the top, and then before that which one was created. So if you go by this one, okay, 1646, this file was created. Before that 34, before that 29, before that 28. So it is listing the file in this order. Now of course, if you see, this file was created in 2020 and this file was created in 2019. So obviously that doesn't mean I have created this file in 2019 and 2020 and then in 2021, 2022, and then suddenly I started this video series. Of course not. There is a way to create this file of older date, year, and all this stuff. So I will when we will reach to that command, that time I will explain how I have created this older date files. This is for you to explain that how this command will behave. So let's try to execute ls-ltr. R means reverse, T means time, L means list. So it is just showing the files in this reverse order, because this R is included. So this one became first, the last but one became second, and the first one which was here, it is showing over here. So there are huge number of options. If I clear the screen now, of course by this time you must be knowing that, okay, clear means it will just clear the screen like this way. So if I type man ls, if I need any help, I will just type man and that command, so it will give me the help in this format. So there are so many options like this way. We just have to understand what is our requirement and then start using all these options. Generally whatever options we are using, those I'm showing over here, and then finally I will just press Q button to come out of this. So let's say there is one another option which everyone uses, ls hyphen la. A means hidden file. So like this dot and this double dot is always hidden. So let's try to create one hidden file. So for that purpose, touch is the command, and to create any hidden file we have to always provide a dot, and I will just say hidden file. That's all. And let's execute ls command. If we execute ls command, if you see, this single dot and double dot is not visible over here. At the same time, this hidden file is also not visible in this output. Let's try ls space star. So there also this one is not available. But to see hidden file, we have to always use ls hyphen a. A means to show the hidden files. Yes, so now it is showing. But of course, generally whenever we are using this, to understand in a better way, we will always use L option. L means list and then A. So here in this manner we will understand this output in a better way, more than this, that okay, hidden file is over here. So there are like this way, there are different options in ls command. As per your scripting requirement, we will be using all these options. Now the important part, how we are going to use this ls command in scripting. So I'm just using our previous script only, which the previous section I have hashed out, and the required section for this ls command I have shown over here. So what we will do, we will go to the script part and we will execute this script. So I will just clear the screen and then I will execute the script. So if I execute the script, now see, if you start reading the script by now, you will understand, okay, first this will change the directory to this path, then it will present this message as is, it will print the message as is, currently I am working over the path, and then because of this pwd inbuilt command, it will print the current working directory. Then we are again printing the message, as we have seen in previous lecture also, available file directories are as below. So this is just this script has been created to let you know, okay, commands you are practicing, but how to make use of those commands in a script. So I will execute this script now. Did we receive any error? No. So this is what it is showing, currently I am working over the path. So this is that message, currently I am working over the path, and then this command will get executed. Now as you know that, okay, within a script, if we are executing any command, we have to always include that command with this special symbol backstick. So if you see, for ls also I have used this special symbol. So like this way we have done all this part. If you are able to see, available file directories are as below, and then I have mentioned this thing, then list of available file directories are as below. So this one is shown for your reference purpose, like this way. I hope you will like this video series. If you have liked, please like the button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's not consider that this ls command which we have seen over here, there won't be any more lectures. There will be huge number of video series on this ls command. Every now and then we are going to use this. Important thing is that at least you have seen over here, now you can practice by your own. Thank you very much.